Hello, my name is John Banowski. I'm a math teacher here at Plano Senior High School. In this video, we're going to be discussing advanced quantitative reasoning, which is a fourth year math class, one that you can take after Algebra 2. Um, the best way I can explain AQR, because it's not a very well known class, is to explain what pre-cal is to let you know it's nothing like it. Pre-cal, statistics, and AQR are the three options you have available after Algebra 2. Pre-cal being a traditional math class where we focus on in-depth math theory and expand on theoretical concepts. So if you're interested in a technology, science, engineering based career, you need to be taking pre-cal. If that does not sound appealing to you, AQR is definitely an option for you. We focus on not the theory of math, but the application of math to real world situations. Um, the units we cover in algebra or in AQR are modeling, reasoning from patterns, probabilistic reasoning, statistical analysis, and financial literacy. All of these are disconnected. They don't build into each other like a traditional math class. We try and focus on different content areas throughout the year. The first one is where we kind of take algebra and use predictive models. So you can think of city management or business management where you're trying to predict population fluctuations or um, changes in prices, inflation rates. Um, we don't go too in depth to the concept, but we do introduce that level of thinking to make reasonable conclusions as to what's going to happen next. The next one, reasoning with data and patterns, goes over data analysis from looking at GPAs to sports statistics like QB ratings and batting and slugging averages. We also have a section where we look at project management, where we play around with a lot of different timelines and activity graphs. That unit is heavy into Google Sheets and Excel and other programs that are useful in making kind of for data analysis in general. The second semester we cover probability, statistics, and financial literacy. In probability, something that students have learned in eighth grade and middle school, elementary school, we actually take the probability and apply it to expected value and risk assessment. If this is what's going to happen, how much how much value should you associate to it? Is it a reasonable risk to take or not? Statistical analysis, we kind of go over different approaches to creating statistical studies and how do you read those statistical studies to make reasonable conclusions. Um, in that one, we do actually have students create surveys, collect data, and make conclusions based on what they've taken. Um, then the last unit at the very end of the school year is financial literacy. This is one that a lot of seniors really enjoy because right before they graduate, they get an exposure to credit and debt, interest rates, loans, mortgages, um, how to manage a budget. In this one, we actually look at what they might be expecting to have right after high school. Um, so, as you can see, this course covers a lot of different subjects that are legitimately applicable to their real life career options. So, should you take AQR? If you are interested in a technical career choice or a science choice, you definitely need to be taking pre-cal. If you're undecided or know that's not what you're looking for, this is a kind of class that can expose you to a lot of different concepts, pique your interest, help you decide, I don't want to do that, I do want to do that. So it is definitely a great fourth year option. So please consider it and have a great evening.